way, I'm Marian Jean Dominguez. I am the leader of this panel and now introduce yourself.
Good day everyone, my name is Carol May Camora. This is the chairman of this panel.
I'm Mariam Salora Kidin and the secretary of this panel.
Justin Balusil, I am the audience of this panel. My name is Mr. Rosale, I am the audience in this panel.
My name is Kimroy Dross, audience this panel.
Good day everyone, I'm Angeli Morados, interviewer of this panel. And now let's talk about how to overcome challenge. First question.
Why do you need to sacrifice something to help the people you love?
If you love someone, you'll be willing to sacrifice your dream for them. If they love you, they won't let you go.
Why must you struggle against the forces of evil, or why is it necessary to win over challenge?
You must struggle against the forces of evil. Since as a Christian, you need to live like God, which means you need to do God, not evil, doing so that you will lose.
Who must your turn to consult in order to win over your challenge?
By never leaving you in your every step that you have.
Who does she help you win over the challenge?
Being optimistic is a great way to turn challenges to opportunities. When you are optimist, you think of a challenge in a positive way. You are ever persevere and never lost hope in finding the right solution for your problems or challenges.
What must be taken into the consideration of you to turn challenge to opportunities?
Just look back on how far you are already and stay positive and everything happens. And confidence, be a confidence because confidence means you are
How must we proceed into winning over challenge?
What I'm said, be confident because confidence means you believe in yourself. Thank you for your cooperations and have a good day. Thank you. Thank you. And thank you.